Bailey. Hey, Bailey. You happy? This is going to be your bedroom. You want to go look at Abby's bedroom? Let's go look at Abby's bedroom. Look over here. This is Bailey. Over here. Come. Bailey. You want to go look at the bathroom? There's no light in here. Bailey, come here. Come here. Let's go look at your sister's bedroom. This, huh? Yeah, she's not gonna bug you anymore. She's gonna have her own room. Get her own closet, walk-in closet. For her it is. This is our master bedroom. Our master bath. Bailey likes the jet tub. And there's my shower. What do you think, Bailey? You like it? You like your new house? Let's go look over here. Over here, look. This is going to be Mom's closet or Dad's closet. We're not sure yet. You're going to have your doggy door right there.
You happy, Bailey?
What do you think, Bailey? Huh? You like your new house? Yeah. That's going to be the bathroom. That's poop. That's what you're going to poop. I'm going to teach you to poop in the toilet. Yep. It's a window. You can look outside.
Abby, you already know start sketching at the walls.
You already painted this room, huh? What do you think, Bailey? You like it? Okay, let's turn this off now.